तिम्रो स्वर धेरै मिठो छ. Your voice is very sweet. Your voice is very sweet. म तिमीसँग कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. उनी ठुला ठुला कुरा गर्छिन्. She talks big things. She talks big things. तिमी मेरो अति मिल्ने साथी हौ. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. के तिमी मसँगै बस्ने? Will you stay with me? Will you stay with me? ऊ मेरो छेउमा बसेको छ. He is sitting next to me. He is sitting next to me. मद्दत गर्नुभएकोमा धन्यवाद. Thanks for helping. Thanks for helping. मलाई तिम्रो खाँचो छ. I need you. I need you. के तिमी मसँग रिसाउँछौ? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? तिमी मेरो मुटुमा छौ. You are in my heart. You are in my heart. तिम्रो मन साँचो छ. Your heart is true. Your heart is true. उनी निकै खुसी भए. He become very happy. He become very happy. के तिमीलाई सहयोग चाहिन्छ? Do you need help? Do you need help? उनी खेलिरहेका छन्. He is playing. He is playing. म तिमीलाई भेट्न आवश्यक छ. I need to meet you. I need to meet you. तिमी धेरै चालाक छौ. You are very smart. You are very smart. तपाईँ के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you doing? What are you doing? म तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्न सक्छु. I can help you. I can help you. मलाई राम्रो महसुस भइरहेको छ. I am feeling good. I am feeling good. उसले तिमीलाई माया गर्छ. He loves you. He loves you. म तिमीलाई मन पराउँछु. I like you. I like you. यो काम धेरै गाह्रो छ. This work is very difficult. This work is very difficult. म तिम्रो प्रतीक्षा गर्नेछु. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. के तपाईलाई थाहा छ? Do you know? Do you know? उहाँले तपाईलाई मद्दत गर्नुहुनेछ. He will help you. He will help you. म तिम्रो साथमा छु. I am with you. I am with you. के तपाईँ मलाई मद्दत गर्नुहुन्छ? Will you help me? Will you help me? यहाँ धेरै गर्मी छ. It is very hot here. It is very hot here. म खुसी भएँ. I become happy. I become happy. मलाई यो देखाउनुहोस्. Show me this. Show me this. मलाई गाउन मन पर्छ. I like singing. I like singing. उनी धेरै बोल्छन्. He talks a lot. He talks a lot. म यहाँबाट जाँदैछु. I am leaving from here. I am leaving from here. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि हामीलाई फलो र भिडियोलाई शेयर गर्नुहोला.